Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my top 3 picks for the best hunting knives. We'll explore quality, versatility, and durability. Before we dive in, don't forget to check out today's prices through the links in the description. Let's get started. 1. Morakniv Basic, Best Value. The Morakniv Craftline 546 has gained widespread acclaim for its exceptional utility and durability across various applications. Users praise its versatility for backpacking, hiking, camping, and everyday tasks. This sheath, initially perceived as subtle, proves to be rugged, offering secure storage. The knife's overall quality receives consistent applause, with users attesting to its resilience under abuse. The stainless steel version stands out for its sharpness, making it ideal for tasks such as dressing out game. Its practicality extends to diverse settings, from work-related box cutting to fishing and camping. The Morakniv Craftline 546 earns admiration for its socially acceptable size and user-friendly sheath design, making it a reliable tool for any occasion. Reviewers note the knife's affordability, emphasizing that it exceeds expectations for its cost. The lightweight yet sturdy construction, coupled with a razor-sharp blade, makes it suitable for light to moderate tasks. The Morakniv Craftline 546 consistently emerges as a cost-effective, high-quality choice, earning its reputation as a dependable companion for both outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. 2. Gerber Becker Bake 18. The small fixed-blade knife in question proves its versatility and durability across various applications. With a sharp edge that withstands abuse, it excels in cooking, cleaning game, and making precise cuts. Its 4-to-1/2-inch blade strikes a balance between field knife, EDC, and kitchen use. Despite a desire for a larger size, the knife impresses with a comfortable handle design. The sheath, though not perfect, holds up well. While some opt for a multi-tool, this knife earns praise as a standalone tool. Another user highlights the knife's sharpness, durable construction, and reliable edge retention. It proves effective for survival tasks, though preferences lead them to acquire a larger alternative. A slight disappointment surfaces in the plastic handle slipperiness, prompting the purchase of aftermarket micarta scales for enhanced grip. Despite this, the user commends the knife as a well-designed tool. On the flip side, a critical review emerges, pointing out cosmetic flaws in craftsmanship, uneven grinds, and a crooked logo. The handle size is criticized for being too small for some users. However, the reviewer acknowledges the knife's functionality and praises the quality sheath. While not flawless, the knife receives recommendations for its mid-size, tactical, and survival capabilities. In the end, the diverse reviews capture a range of perspectives, from enthusiastic endorsements to nuanced critiques, painting a comprehensive picture of the knife's performance and user satisfaction. 3. Gerber Strongarm. The Gerber Strongarm fixed-blade knife receives mixed reviews, showcasing a range of opinions on its quality and performance. Some users praise its robust design, well-balanced feel, and versatile blade, highlighting its suitability for various outdoor activities. The diamond-textured rubberized handle provides a secure grip, and the partially serrated, drop-point blade made from high-carbon stainless steel is lauded for its sharpness and durability. However, concerns emerge regarding the sheath's durability, with instances of it breaking upon impact. Some criticize the customer service experience, citing delays and a lack of a direct phone line for assistance. The discrepancy in product authenticity is another recurring issue, with reports of counterfeit knives circulating in the market. While some users express disappointment in the sheath's flimsiness and the knife's steel quality, others appreciate the knife's performance and build, considering it a reliable tool for camping, hiking, and survival scenarios. Despite varying opinions on the sheath and customer service, the Gerber Strongarm maintains a positive image for those seeking a durable, all-purpose fixed-blade knife. Thanks for tuning in to my top 3 choices for the best hunting knives. If you want to grab one for yourself, check out the product links in the video description below. Don't miss out on the perfect companion for your next hunting adventure. Happy hunting!